Hey there, my name is Blake, and today I'll be reviewing Google Calendar, which I give a 5-star review. I am an operations and programs manager, and for more reviews just like this one, you can click below. Well, if I'm going to be completely honest, I was super old school and I had a written, yes, a written calendar, and it just started to become inefficient. I started taking on a lot more side projects outside of work. It was becoming really difficult to schedule meetings with people, and then I slowly started to realize that the world was using Google Calendar. So I made the official switch and brought the organization on, and it completely changed everything. There's a billion reasons that I could go into about why the organization chose Google Calendar. Namely, we function completely on the Google Suite as like our main overdrive. And the functionality, it's kind of goes without saying. You have ability to book appointments, invite people, offer people different times if they need to change appointments. And frankly, it's the only software that seems to be all encompassing. The other thing about it that I really like is that you have the opportunity to integrate with other platforms, like HelloSign, for example, and it just makes it super easy to use. I think at first it felt overwhelming just because it is a very macro look at everything. Once I got the hang of it, though, sort of like the New York City subway, super difficult for me, in my experience anyway, to understand, but very easy to master once I got it. So I'd give yourself, if you're completely new to Google Calendar, I'd give yourself like an hour just to kind of click through and understand it. But once you get there, you get there. I mean, if you're on the Google Suite, that would be my recommendation. It's one of those platforms that everybody, as I mentioned, seems to be using. So if you're gonna get on it, just do it, I guess is the only recommendation I have. Kind of like what I also stated previously earlier. If you're new to the platform, give yourself just a little bit of time to understand it because it's overwhelmingly comprehensive in its capabilities. And so I would just give yourself a little bit of time to understand it and, dare I say, exercise a little bit of patience with the platform because it is so comprehensive.